Hi everyone. So today we'll be painting a coaster. So this is a coaster with four wooden coaster with stand. So I got this from Amazon. You can check my description for the link. These are very handy. I used to do previously. I used to do in Hobby India coaster, wooden coaster, mango wood. But I love this. I got this from Amazon, and I really love this. This comes with a stand because in my last exhibition, people used to ask me about we need a stand, we need a pair of four. So I thought of doing this exhibition with this one, right? So you can see how well packaged it comes. It comes with a box with and so it has a stand to it and it comes with a hole so you can put the resin. I don't do resin coat because it slip and it is not even. So this one you can put your EV resin and your mandala and work will be sealed. And last time what happened was I used rhinestone, small rhinestone, but people were not able to will my glass stay or cup stay on it. So I thought of this is perfect for placing rhinestone also. So this comes in a pair of four and see with the stand. Okay. So check out the description for the link and we'll be doing this coaster this tutorial. So you see how beautifully you can stack it and how beautiful it will look with your mandala on the table stand or for your candles, keeping candle, anything you can get. So we'll be painting this. So I have painted one with. So I tried to paint the paint first, but it was very slippery and I was not able to paint. So what I did a coat of gesso. Wow, sorry. Yeah, I used to. So this is the white gesso and a little birdie. I get it. So I gave a one coat and I will set this to dry. If you want me to paint one with the gesso, I will show you how I did. So I used this flat brush. It's already wet. Then take out the excess water. Take one of it. So what happens when you dip your brush in water? It's movable. Okay. So I've opened. Just take a little amount of it, and we will give a. So this is very good. So you can give. Oh my God. This happened with. Okay. So always clean your hand. I will show you one coat here. So this will give any rough surface. Sanding is not possible because you have the rim here. So this will make your surface little bit smooth. So, yeah, I need more little bit of color for the edges. One second. You can give a two coat also, but for me, I'm doing it in brown base, dark brown base. You can do black also. I'm doing it in brown. Okay, so now yogurt is over. No need to do the side much permanently because it's okay. It will be raisin and it will not be visible. You can do, because I tried to do one. What happened is, you see, I have to, the paint came, then I have to do the top one also. So, but I love, so you can see the difference. I love this one more. So, since it is not erasable in water, so I will just leave it like that. So, we are done with the coat of gesso. Yeah. So let it dry fully. Wash your hand, everything, and prepare your palette. You can take any color to do this. So next video we will go and prepare our palette for the coaster. See you in next video.